In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade ClickUp in just 5 minutes. Now, upgrading ClickUp might sound daunting at first, but it's actually a straightforward process that allows you to take full advantage of the enhanced features and functionalities available. Whether you're looking to have more storage, use advanced collaboration tools, or simply streamline your project management processes, upgrading your ClickUp account is a step in the right direction. Let's begin by heading over to the ClickUp website, which is your starting point for this upgrade adventure. Open your preferred web browser and go to ClickUp's official site. Here you'll find a comprehensive suite of tools designed to enhance productivity and keep you organized. ClickUp prides itself on being the everything app for work, and upgrading your plan will unlock even more potential for you and your team. Once you're on the ClickUp homepage, it's time to log into your account. This is done by entering your email address in the designated field. Make sure to use the email address associated with your ClickUp account, as this ensures you access your own workspace and not someone else's. After you've carefully typed in your email, it's time to move on to entering your password. This step is straightforward, but remember to double check for any typos, as incorrectly entering your password can result in unnecessary frustration and delay. Having successfully entered both your email and password, look for the login button and give it a click. This will grant you access to your ClickUp dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're in, take a moment to navigate to your home page, which is usually the centerpiece of your workspace. For many, this will be labeled in accordance with the name of your specific workspace, such as Nan's workspace or whatever yours might be. You can usually find this option on the sidebar or the dashboard's main navigation menu. With a successful login, your next task is to locate the option to upgrade your ClickUp account. This is typically a prominent feature within your workspace's homepage, often presented in an easily identifiable manner. Once you've found the upgrade button, give it a click. This step is crucial because ClickUp's upgraded plans offer a myriad of additional features that are not available in free versions. Clicking upgrade will navigate you to the billing section where all the available plans are presented. At this point, you'll see a selection of different plans available for upgrading. It's important to carefully review and click on Choose Plan, as your choice here determines what features will be accessible and at what cost. Consider what aspects are most important for your workflow, whether it's the ability to add more team members, gain access to premium integrations, or utilize advanced task management tools. Before making a final decision, it might be helpful to revisit your current and future needs. Do you need a plan that supports a large team or perhaps a package with more project management tools? Take your time to read through the details and ensure that you pick a plan that aligns perfectly with your requirements. Once you are confident in your choice, finalize the selection to proceed with the upgrade. Now that you've selected the plan that best suits your needs, the final step is usually to handle the financial transaction. Make sure you have your payment information ready and follow the on-screen instructions to seamlessly process your upgrade. This transaction is crucial as it paves the way for unlocking all the enhanced features and functionalities that ClickUp's upgraded plans provide. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully upgraded your ClickUp account, unlocking enhanced features that will undoubtedly improve your productivity and streamline your workflow. Whether you're managing a large team or juggling multiple projects, having access to superior tools makes a significant difference in achieving your professional goals. Congratulations on taking this important step toward maximizing the capabilities of ClickUp. Enjoy exploring the new features available to you, and don't hesitate to dive into the additional resources or customer support if ever you have questions. Thanks for watching and happy upgrading.